In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in AWeber. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access the builder. Choose a template, customize every section, and publish a page that looks clean, consistent, and on brand. Let's begin by getting into the right workspace. Log into your AWeber account, then head to the Pages and Forms tab. From there, select Landing Pages and click Create a Landing Page. This opens the builder so you can start from a solid foundation rather than building everything from scratch. Next, choose a template that fits your goal, whether you're capturing leads, promoting a webinar, or announcing a product. Templates give you a layout, design elements, and structure that already follow good design practices. If you prefer full control, you can start with a blank canvas, but a template often saves time and helps you stay consistent. Now let's customize the design. On the left sidebar, you'll see building blocks like text, images, buttons, and videos. Drag an element onto the page exactly where you want it to appear. If something lands a little off, you can easily reposition it until the spacing feels balanced and readable. Think of your page as a simple, guided path. A clear headline, a short explanation, an eye-catching visual, and a single call to action. To edit anything you've placed, click the element and look to the right side panel. Here you can change text, adjust fonts and sizes, swap images, and refine alignment. Keep your headline concise and benefit-focused. For images, choose high-quality files that load quickly. Large images can slow the page, so consider optimized sizes. For buttons, use short, action-oriented labels that tell visitors exactly what will happen when they click. Styling brings your brand to life. Adjust colors, button shapes, and page background properties to match your logo and overall identity. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to keep everything readable, especially on mobile. If your brand palette is bold, use it strategically so the call to action button stands out without overwhelming the rest of the content. When you're happy with the layout, use Preview to see your page as a visitor would. Scan for typos, verify spacing, and test that your button links lead to the right destination. If something feels off, jump back to the editor and refine it. Once it looks and works the way you want, click Publish. AWeber will generate a shareable URL you can promote immediately, and you can always return later to tweak and republish as needed. That's it, your AWeber landing page is live and ready to convert.